Hi everyone, my name's Nathan Wybyrn. I'm an artist, originally from Ebervale in the Valleys, currently living in Cardiff, and I'm 25 years old. I'm absolutely honoured to have been given this address and speak to you today about the importance of support for LGBT young people. We're all aware of the difficulties growing up, how difficult your teenage years can be, and how cruel others can be. I was bullied in school for having red hair, wanting to excel in my studies, and for what they deemed as being gay. I wasn't sure myself for many years. My best friend was openly gay and coached me through it all, but I found it a lot more difficult. Even in the past 10 years, there's been a colossal increase in the media about LGBT people. I remember seeing a gay man on the bill, and then a kiss on Coronation Street, and it was deemed so controversial at the time. Nowadays, it's very much a more easily spoken about topic, and you see it in soaps and in the magazines and on TV everywhere. We're very lucky that it's going in the right direction, but I still believe it's a long way to go. When I was bullied and made to feel worthless, I found comfort and confidence in my art. I found something that I was good at. I began uploading clips to YouTube in time-lapse of my celebrity portraits. They started to gather a lot of momentum and the views started to flood in. After I just achieved 1 million views on YouTube, I decided to take my Simon Cowell portrait using Marmite on Toast to Britain's Got Talent. Simon wasn't there that year, so I decided to make a portrait of Michael McIntyre instead. I reached through to the semi-finals where Simon was back for the show, and I managed to get to show him his backstage. Since Britain's Got Talent, they've had commissions with various big companies to use their products for advertisements and to give to celebrities themselves. I've had an outrageous response, and some of the most high-profile people that have commented on my work are the likes of Alan Carr, Stephen Fry, even Conchita Wurst. It's absolutely brilliant to get the response from the people that I'm making. My advice to people having a difficult time would be if you could find something that you're good at and focus on the positives through that, then it can help your self-esteem. I've proven the bigots wrong, and just several years later I can say that I'm extremely proud that I'm a ginger. I can say that I'm extremely proud that I studied well and exceeded in my studies, and that I'm an artist and I'm creative and that I'm openly gay. These are just several simple factors that make up a tiny percent of the person I actually am. I think this programme will benefit the two people chosen and LGBT youths greatly. It's given us that voice and platform to get the point across and get involved with decision making from a young person's perspective. It's giving young people someone to speak to and know their views won't get ignored. Times change very quickly, news travels seemingly faster than the speed of light these days, and social media is even more powerful than ever. Maybe you could be the first LGBT young person champion, stand out from the crowd and make a difference, and get your voice heard. Thank you.